The free?
Who said the free? Not me.
Surely not me. The millions on relief today.
The millions shot down when we strike.
The millions who have nothing for our pay.
For all the dreams we've dreamed.
And all the songs we've sung.
And all the hopes we've held.
And all the flags we've hung.
The millions who have nothing for our pay.
Except the dream that's almost dead today. Oh, let America be America again.
Sometimes a piece of paper, a piece of white paper can set
Whenever you are moving from one system to another, there will be definite difficulties. But I think there's enough brain power, and I think there is enough determination, enough courage and faith to meet the difficulties as they develop.
I often feel like saying, when I hear the question, people aren't ready, that it's like telling a person who is trying to swim, don't jump in that water until you learn how to swim, when actually, you'll never learn how to swim until you get in the water.
When the glory comes, it'll be ours, oh, one day. When the war is won, we will be sure, oh, glory, oh, glory, oh, glory.
I was already wearing band-aids on my heels from the heel walkers the day before, and I was sore up and down the backs of my legs from being kicked. I felt I couldn't take any more. I knew I couldn't help but fight back against the next person who attacked me. I pretended to become intensely involved in my book. I was reading about Mr. Gandhi's prison experience and how he quieted his fears and directed his thoughts so that his enemies were never really in charge of him.
We call upon all communities to be tolerant, to reject prejudice based on caste, creed, sect, color, religion, or agenda, to ensure freedom and equality for women so they can flourish. We cannot all succeed when half of us are held back.
I'll be buried in my grave and go home to my Lord and be free. So let it be.
Let us be dissatisfied until slums are cast into the junk heaps of history and every family will live in a decent, sanitary home. Let us be dissatisfied until the dark yesterdays of segregated schools will be transformed into bright tomorrows of quality integrated education.
Let us be dissatisfied until integration is not seen as a problem, but as an opportunity to participate in the beauty of diversity. Let us be dissatisfied until men and women, however black they may be, will be judged on the basis of the content of their character, not on the basis of the color of their skin.